previously with the National Convention in Pampanga, where I already met many of you. It's actually always a pleasure to be among people in the real estate industry. For some reason, I find that people in this industry are among the warmest, friendliest, and most grounded people that one could ever meet. Maybe it's something to do with the solidity of the industry, because you deal in houses, you deal in buildings. I suppose it's an industry where there's very little room for nonsense, because you deal with such weighty and important things. So, good afternoon again to everyone. I'm just here on behalf of DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, who would have dearly wanted to be here, but unfortunately, he was called away by state matters. So I hope I can be a poor substitute for the Secretary. As the oldest and largest organization in the country comprising the real estate and housing sector, CREPA has been one of our premier partners in achieving our unified agenda of providing an adequate home for every Filipino where they can live with peace, security, and with dignity. CREPA's 5-point agenda seeks to address the country's housing backlog through affordable homes in urban areas nationwide, for socialized economic housing, equitable allocation of lands, among others. That aligns perfectly with the vision of our beloved President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., who wants affordable and decent houses for low-income families across the Philippines. And that is an initiative which DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, as well as the previous DILG Secretary, Benner Avalos, dearly supports. Now, according to the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development, the housing backlog in the country stands at 6 million units. Now, in relation to this, there's a projection by the United Nations that you'll need 22 million new houses by 2040 due to rapid urbanization. And because of that, the President has made it a national priority to build more homes for Filipinos. And a big part of that is our Pabansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program, which projects a grand vision of building hopefully 1 million housing units annually until 2028. Now, the DILG and DSUD signed a memorandum of understanding to reinforce this vision of housing. So we're working with the DSUD now to build housing units for indigent barangay workers and informal settler families. I'm also delighted to share that successful projects of the administration's housing program have already been turned over to beneficiaries in various cities and municipalities across the country. In fact, President Bongbong Marcos personally turned over the first units of the program in Nueva Ecija and in Bacolod City as well. And meanwhile, on the part of the DILG, as mentioned by the CREPA President Noel a while ago, we want to work hard to make sure that your business can proceed as smoothly as possible. We want to ensure a seamless experience when applying for business permits and licenses for housing projects. I came from the private sector, and well, let's call a spade a spade. The Philippines is not the easiest country to do business in. We have a legacy of outdated regulations, regulations that sometimes assume that everybody is a criminal and try to and pile upon paperwork after paperwork. But all of these things, it's the goal of the administration to cut down on the red tape, to slice past all the barriers to investment, all the barriers to making capital and financing flow better. So that's a major goal of the administration. And beyond this talk of development, beyond these abstract concepts, one thing that we're very aware of is that in this industry, you are part of the dream of every Filipino. Most likely for the ordinary person,
buying a house will be the single biggest investment, the single biggest expense, and the single biggest economic decision he will take in his entire life. And you are part of making that dream come true. You are dream makers, so to speak. So we want to very much help you. We want to very much support you in this endeavor of making dreams come true for every Filipino. So thank you very much for being part of that. Let's continue to work tirelessly for a robust and vibrant housing sector en route to ang matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay para sa mga Pilipino sa bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay.